Hello friends, we are together again with a new video. In this video, I have prepared a video showing Victorinox knife and blade sharpening product, which I bought for 50 liras in the past, but recently its price has almost reached 600 liras. First of all, I would like to say that I am not a knife sharpening expert. I am sharing my impressions with you entirely from an amateur perspective, so you can decide for yourself by seeing it. The first brands that come to mind when it comes to knives and pocket knives are the famous Swedish knife company Morakniv, the French Opinel, and the Victorinox brand that we are examining in this video. Currently, I have two legendary Opinel knives that I know are at least 40 years old and made of carbon steel. These knives were brought from France. Honestly, I would like to make a video in the future where I can restore them nicely. The quality of years ago is immediately apparent when you hold them. There will definitely be a difference in quality between the new Opinels and the old ones because the expenses imposed by today's conditions are putting more burden on businesses and they have to compromise on quality to some extent. Suppose this video will not be a deep dive into the topic. As you can see, the sharpener is designed in a minimalistic manner. The top cover has a design that allows it to be carried in a pocket like a pen. The product consists of two parts. The first part is where the ceramic sharpeners are located. The second part is where the sharpener is. Now, let's quickly and simply sharpen our knives and then proceed to the essential knife and pocket knife test, which is the paper cutting test. I apply a very small amount of thin machine oil to the sharpener part, and I sharpen the knives in this way. However, I do it not because I know it, but based on a recommendation from a friend. I think it has its benefits, but if there are knowledgeable friends, please indicate in the comments whether this is necessary or unnecessary. Afterward, I sharpen both sides of the blade at the same angle and with the same number of strokes as much as possible. If needed, I also use the ceramic part of the sharpener to refine the edge. However, this ceramic section is only suitable for thin blades. Unfortunately, Morakniv's bushcraft knives are too large for this section. We have reached the end of the video, my friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share the videos. Stay healthy and happy until we meet again in new videos.